Welcome back, guys, to another quick tutorial. Today I have a Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me break it down for you guys. I'm trying to reset this device to factory settings via the settings. Just go into settings and reset and factory restore. But turns out there's a Samsung account locked to this device. When I'm trying to reset, it says input the password or the PIN code. I don't know that. I tried resetting it via the phone number that was connected. Don't even have that. So it turns out I'm out of luck. But no, there's a way to remove Samsung from here. I have the sticker here. Don't worry about it. It's just me being lazy and not trying to edit the video. So that way, whenever the email comes up, it's not going to show. But anywho, before we begin, again, I'm trying to remove the Samsung account. Let me go to settings. It's a little too bright. Settings. There we go. And as you can see where it says cloud and account, this will show you cloud accounts and this will show you what's connected. As you can see, the Samsung account is connected. Now before we begin, if there's a Google account on here, since I'm going to reset the device anyway, I recommend you to take it off, because if you don't know the email to that Google account nor the password, you're going to be in a even worse situation. So I strongly recommend you remove Google account now. If you don't know how to, it should look like what Samsung says, except it just says Google account. Tap it. There should be three dots in the corner, just like this, and it will simply say remove account. Then from there, it should just look like what I have here, just Samsung account. So once we have this figured out, once you have Google removed, we go all the way back to the main settings options. Here we go, and again, where it says general management, it should give you that reset option and reset. And again, I'm trying to do a factory restore, factory data reset, and this is where the email pops up. So let me go ahead and give you a glimpse of what happens. Delete, and boom, I get hit with this again. I don't know the pin or passcode to this, so I'm out of luck. But anywho, so once we have this figured out, let's go ahead and remove it. What you will do first is power off the device. This is a nice little trick, because I've been doing this, I believe, with the Galaxy S5, I believe S6. This only works when you can navigate the menu settings and Google is removed. So once it's completely powered off, using the power, the Bixby button, which is this, and the volume up at the same time, it should take you to recovery mode. Whenever that pops up, just let go. There we go. Okay, now that we're in recovery mode, using the volume up and down to navigate, that volume down is to go down and volume up to go up, we're going to go where it says wipe data factory reset. Should be the fifth option, and power to confirm, and hit yes. And just like that, the device should wipe itself, and it should now be free of Samsung account. Reboot. Not only does that remove the Samsung account that's been locked to it is going to wipe everything off. It should be a fresh new device. Let me stay with you guys, because sometimes I cut the video short and people are like, hey, what happens next? After you wipe the settings, the phone should optimize. This should take roughly between 2 to 5 minutes. I would say not longer than 5 minutes. And just let it optimize. Now before the video ends, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, all these videos are free of charge. Now if you feel like donating to the cause, I'm going to leave a PayPal link in the description. I really appreciate it. For some of you guys that have donated already, thanks again. Every donation counts, small or big. Let me just pause it and skip forward. Now, I was gonna note that whenever you're doing a factory restore, if your phone stays like this for a long time, don't panic. It's restoring. One way to tell is there's this blue light. It should like fade dark to light. You might not notice it through the camera, but you can definitely notice it kind of flat. Through the camera, I see it's kind of flashing, but in front of me, it's just going from light blue to dark blue, light blue. That means it's optimizing in the background. So don't panic if the screen is like this. Like I said, it's optimizing. Once it's good to go, it should show up like this, and boom, welcome screen. Let's just start and set up the device. I'm just gonna skip straight to the menu. Skip. We're gonna remove the sticker. I don't need it anymore. It's not letting me. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, now that we're at the menu, and notice, have you seen it earlier? Like cloud and accounts. This device is free of any accounts. There's no Google on here, and there's no Samsung account. So now this device is completely wiped. No accounts associated with it. Now you're free to add your account. If you don't know how to do that, there should be other YouTubes. But anywho, once you're here, you're good to go. And again, if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.